the Oracle. Place card face down in round effect. At end of game, draw 2 community cards, place in your recruits. Choose 1 card and double its value. If opponent tries to reveal the card, then bonus is now triple the value. So, first thing I'm going to do is say it's round 6, because I'm going to play it face down. The opponent doesn't know it's there. So say in round 7, the opponent comes in and decides, I'm going to remove that card. In that case, you would reveal it, cannot be removed, and now it's worth 3 times what it was before. Okay? But for sake of the normal game, let's say he didn't remove it. And round 8 comes, and the game ends. Then at the end of the game, we're going to reveal it. And we're going to draw 2 cards. We're going to flip them over. We've got a 13 and a 6, and of course, I want to double that 13. So Oracle gave me a cool 32 additional points. Thanks for watching the video. For more news and updates from the Master of Wheels team, just subscribe to us below.